Hey, what's up, YouTube? All right, so I'm here with a student. We're about to do the driving test practice in a Broward County location, DMV location. Again, I cannot tell you where it is, but if you know the areas, you will be able to tell from landmark. All right, so they're gonna ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
Left.
What else do you do?
Put the car in park, handbrake up, and turn off the engine.
Okay. All right. So they're gonna ask you to do your turn signal. Signal left, signal right, blow the horn, press and release the brake. All right. So they're checking to make sure that the brake light, the turn signal lights, and the horns working. All right. Turn the wheel all the way to the left. They're checking the front tire on the left side. Turn all the way right. Again, they're checking your front tire on the right side. They will not take you out in the car if those things are not, if your tires are not good. All right, straighten the wheel reverse and let's go to the left. Look behind, look both ways here. As soon as your mirror is past the end of the line, you turn in all the way to the right. And then continue reversing. Look behind. Okay, that's good enough. Put the car back in drive. We're gonna go down to the little patch of grass down there. Okay, stop right here. Alright, speed up to 20 and do the sudden stop, the quick stop. Stop. Okay, cool. Reverse, straight back. Straighten the wheel. Make sure the wheel is perfectly straight and just roll straight back. And then they'll tell you when to stop. Okay, stop about here. Put the car back in drive. We're gonna do the 3-point turn. Signal left. Turn all the way left. Stop before you go into the parking space. Go a little bit more. Okay, that's good. Reverse, turn all the way right. Look over your left shoulder and reverse. Okay, go back a little bit more. Alright, that's good. Signal left again. So you go left twice, you signal left twice. Now we're gonna go to this stop sign right here and make a right turn. Okay. Stop completely. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and make it right. Okay, make a right turn here. Park in between the cones here. So come up, line up your steering wheel in this car with way too far. Okay, like right there. Signal left. Turn all the way left. And just go slowly into the space. As soon as you get to the middle, you're gonna straighten up and pull straight in. Straighten the wheel, pull straight in, and that is perfect. Stop. Reverse, straight back. As soon as your mirror is past the end of the line, the cones, you're going to turn all the way left. Okay, that's good enough. Stop. Put the car in drive. You're gonna stop at the stop sign and then make a left turn. Okay, gonna make a left. Make a right turn. So you look over here, make sure it's clear. Go ahead and make your right. One, two, three. Creep out to where you can actually see. And you wait for it to be clear here. And then go ahead and make your right turn. Wait for this guy because he's flying.
I knew he was gonna turn.
And he don't, yeah, but he just put that thing on late. This one didn't even bother to put his on. Alright, now you can go. So you're gonna go out and then come back into the right lane. Go to the light and make a right turn. Okay, the light's green, so you can go ahead and make a right. Alright. Look how far over this side they're coming. What the hell is
what we
that?
have to deal with.
Alright, go ahead and make your right turn. Straight in and park. All right, so how you think you did?
Okay. There's
Okay.
a few errors, but it's okay.
Yeah, you did good. If you did the test like that, you would pass.
Ooh, look at
So
me.
yeah, cool. All right, tell these people to like the video, share the video,
Like,
subscribe.
share, subscribe.
Okay. Yeah. Subscribe to my channel. I have 18,600 subscribers. I'm gonna need y'all to help me to get to 25,000. All right. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.